What's going on, everyone? Today I got a 2022 Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. All you have to do is press this button right here and the emergency key will slide right out. Now that we have the emergency key taken out, we're just going to take this back cover off. I'm just going to use a little flathead screwdriver to help me with that. And I'm just going to stick it in this slot that's right here, and I'm going to pry upwards. You can see how it's split that case or that cover right up, and then I'm just going to work it off. Okay. Once we get it out, you can see the battery here. Just note that the positive sign will be facing up, and you can see how it's kind of put in at an angle. Okay, so we're going to have to take it out at an angle. There is a little slot here that we're going to use the flathead screwdriver to just pry the battery right out of here. Okay, once we get it out. So the battery size is a CR2450, and I'll leave a link in the description box for a new one if you need to get a new one. So I'll go ahead and grab my new battery here, and we'll stick it right on the remote. And you can see, I'm going to stick it in the side first, and then push it down, and you get the cover. And just put the cover back on, starting with the top, squishing it all together, and you can put the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was very helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.